Graffiti vandalism wreaks havoc on urban landscapes, defacing buildings, public structures, and signs, and costing property owners millions in cleanup and repairs. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the pervasive issue of graffiti vandalism and how anti-graffiti film serves as a vital defense against this destructive menace. Graffiti vandalism, a costly problem. Graffiti vandalism is not just an eyesore, it's a costly problem for property owners. Each year, businesses, municipalities, and property managers spend millions of dollars on graffiti removal, repair, and repainting. Beyond the financial burden, graffiti vandalism can tarnish a property's reputation, deter customers, and reduce property values. Surface damage and aesthetic degradation. Left unchecked, graffiti can cause significant damage to surfaces, particularly porous materials such as brick, concrete, and wood. Graffiti tags not only mar the appearance of buildings and structures, but also degrade their integrity over time. The longer graffiti remains on a surface, the more difficult it becomes to remove, often requiring abrasive cleaning methods that further damage the surface. Community safety concerns. Beyond property damage, graffiti vandalism poses safety concerns for communities. In some cases, graffiti tags may convey gang-related messages or symbols, instilling fear and unease among residents. Additionally, graffiti vandalism can signal neglect and disorder, leading to a perception of increased crime and decreased safety in affected areas. Environmental impact. The cleanup of graffiti vandalism often involves the use of harsh chemicals and abrasive cleaning methods, which can harm the environment and contribute to pollution. Moreover, the frequent repainting of surfaces affected by graffiti consumes valuable resources and generates additional waste. Finding sustainable solutions to graffiti vandalism is essential for preserving the environment and promoting eco-friendly practices. Anti-graffiti film, a proactive defense. Anti-graffiti film offers a proactive defense against graffiti vandalism, providing a transparent barrier that protects surfaces from damage. Made from durable materials, anti-graffiti film creates a sacrificial layer that can be easily removed and replaced if graffiti occurs, minimizing the need for costly repairs and surface refinishing. Streamlined cleanup and maintenance. With anti-graffiti film in place, property owners can streamline the cleanup and maintenance process, reducing downtime and minimizing disruption to business operations. Customizable solutions for every need. At American Graphic Contractors, AGC, we offer customizable anti-graffiti film solutions to meet the unique needs of our clients. Whether you're looking to protect storefront windows, building facades, or public transit vehicles, we can tailor a solution that fits your specifications and budget. Expert installation services. In addition to supplying high-quality anti-graffiti film, AGC provides expert installation services to ensure proper application and maximum effectiveness. Our team of experienced installers will work closely with you to assess your property, recommend the best anti-graffiti film solution, and complete the installation process efficiently and professionally. Don't let graffiti vandalism tarnish your property's reputation and bottom line. Together, we can combat graffiti vandalism and preserve the beauty and integrity of our communities. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.